Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the HAWALILI, and it is a wine red shirt. So let's check this out. I'll show you guys what it is and how it is. Oh, it feels nice. It's got kind of that rayonish kind of feel to it. I don't know if it says, it doesn't really say. I got a size large, and here's the information on it. Here it says it's 95% polyester and 5% elastine. I guess the elastine is what makes it very stretchy. But this is what it looks like here. You can see up close, it's kind of a little ribbed feel. Let me open up some buttons here and I will try this on. So there we go, buttons open, and we can try it on Neil. So this is what it looks like. I have a size large and I am about 190 pounds at the moment. So it's got a bit of a fitted-ish slim fit feel to it. But I like the way it's got that ribbed feel to it. And you can see down at the bottom, it's a straight cut on the bottom, and it's a good length actually. It's good because I can still get in my pockets without having to bunch it up too much. You know, sometimes they're just down too far, or sometimes it's just up too high. But I can bend over and my back isn't going to be showing. I can hold up my hands and that's there. It's got a nice little cuff around the sleeves as well. I think I like this one. I don't know, do I look good? I can button it up if I'd like to. They have the collar on it, so this is really nice. So this is what I look like. And I am about 5'10", 190 pounds, so this is how it will fit me. And so I like this. I'm ready to hit the town. Looking fancy, so thumbs up.